You're bleeding money every single time you fill up, and you don't even know it. Right now, gas stations are sitting on secrets that quietly drain hundreds of dollars from your wallet every year, and the worst part is, you're funding their profits without ever realizing it. Today, you're getting the 10 fuel-saving secrets. Gas stations, pray you never discover. And the very last one is so devastating to your bank account that walking away before the end would be a costly mistake you'll regret at every single fill-up for the rest of the year. Number 10 on your list is the premium fuel trap, and it costs you nearly 85 cents extra per gallon for absolutely nothing. You think you're treating your engine to something better. But if your car wasn't built for it, you're simply lighting money on fire. Nearly 16.5 million drivers fall into this exact trap every year, wasting over $2 billion, combined according to AAA, because premium doesn't clean your engine or boost your horsepower if your manufacturer never required it. Your engine is tuned for a specific burn pattern, and forcing premium into a regular engine can actually make combustion less efficient, leaving you with zero performance gain and a brutal hit to your wallet. This is a financial gamble you never needed to take, and gas stations love every second of your confusion. Number 9 is the idling nightmare that's been quietly costing you for years. You think warming up your car for 10 minutes is protecting your engine, but you're really torching half a gallon of fuel every single hour you sit there. Over a year, that habit can drain $150 to $200 straight out of your pocket, and your engine doesn't even need it because modern vehicles warm up faster moving than idling. Worse, prolonged idling causes carbon buildup and exhaust corrosion that can chip away at your engine's lifespan. 30 seconds is all you need before you drive away. Anything more is just you funding the gas station's next fill-up. Number 8 is the tire pressure betrayal sitting right under your nose. Your dashboard light only warns you once you've already lost 25% of your recommended pressure. And by then, you've already burned through serious money. NHTSA data shows only 19% of drivers actually keep all 4 tires properly inflated, and every single missing PSI quietly steals 0.2% off your fuel economy. That means an 8 PSI drop, the exact point your warning light finally turns on, has already cost you over 1.5% in efficiency for weeks. Your $5 tire gauge is the cheapest insurance policy you'll ever own, and ignoring it is a rolling money pit. Number 7 is the aggressive acceleration disaster destroying your fuel economy daily. You flooring it off every green light feels harmless, but the Department of Energy confirms this habit burns up to 33% more fuel than gentle acceleration. You are paying extra cash just to arrive at the same red light 2 seconds faster than everyone else. Japanese drivers have used a documented 5-second rule since 2003, saving 20 to 30% on fuel nationwide, while American drivers keep slamming pedals and wondering why their tank empties so fast. Every aggressive launch is a tiny financial disaster you choose voluntarily. Number 6 is the dirty air filter trap almost nobody checks. You assume this cheap little part is harmless, but a severely clogged filter can drop your fuel economy by up to 10%. According to the Department of Energy, your engine compensates by dumping in extra fuel, straining your spark plugs, oxygen sensors, and catalytic converter in the process. Most drivers go 30,000 miles without ever pulling it out, completely unaware they're slowly suffocating their engine and their wallet at the same time. Hold it to sunlight, and if you can't see through it, you're already paying the price for neglect. Number 5 is the speed sweet spot betrayal that's costing you every single highway trip. You assume cruising at 75 gets you there efficiently, but at 65 miles per hour, you're already burning 15% more fuel than at 55. And at 75, that number explodes past 25%. Aerodynamic drag multiplies brutally past 50 miles per hour, forcing your engine into a financial disaster it never needed to face. Japan's highways average 62 miles per hour for a reason, and it's not patience, it's pure math. Every 5 miles per hour over the sweet spot is you handing gas stations extra cash for nothing. Number 4 is the cruise control mistake almost everyone makes without realizing it. Only 27% of drivers use it regularly. Yet varying your speed even slightly, swinging between 47 and 53 miles per hour every 18 seconds, can spike your fuel consumption by 20%. Adaptive cruise control alone can hand you back 5 to 7% in savings by eliminating the hard braking and hard accelerating that quietly wrecks your mileage. Your car already has this technology sitting unused, and ignoring it is a costly mistake you're making every single commute. Number 3 is the roof rack penalty hiding in plain sight on top of your car. You forget it's even there, but Lawrence Berkeley research shows over 100 million gallons get wasted nationwide every year because of empty roof racks alone. A fully loaded rack can crush your mileage by 10 to 25%, and at highway speeds even an empty rack tanks your fuel economy by 12%. That 5-minute removal job you keep putting off is silently costing you real money every single mile you drive. Number 2 is the gas cap nightmare almost 1 in 5 drivers are living through right now without knowing it. A cracked, loose, or worn-out cap lets fuel vapors leak straight into the air, forcing your evaporative system to richen your fuel mixture and burn 2 to 3% more gas. The Department of Transportation estimates this can drain up to 30 gallons a year from your tank, all from a $5 part you never bothered to inspect. Your check engine light throwing a P0457 code is screaming at you, and ignoring it is pure financial betrayal. Number 1, the most devastating secret of all, is the fuel truck trap waiting at stations you trust the most. When a tanker is filling underground tanks, it churns up rust, sediment, and ethanol residue that can spike contamination levels by up to 400% for hours afterward. Fill up during that window, and you're pumping dirty fuel straight into your engine, choking your injectors, stressing your fuel pump, and tanking your mileage, all while paying full price for fuel that's actively damaging your car. This single mistake can quietly cost you thousands in repairs down the road, and most drivers have no idea it's happening right in front of them. See that tanker truck, drive away immediately. No exceptions. You just uncovered 10 secrets gas stations have been profiting from at your expense for years, and now you'll never fill up the same way again. Hit subscribe so you never miss the next financial disaster we expose, and comment below which secret shocked you the most.